Welcome to our Happy Meal reviews. I'm going to review to you guys our latest McDonald's toys. So, let's start with this one. This one is the
air blower.
Air blower.
Air cannon.
It's not working.
Okay, next one.
Wait. How come it's not working? Baliktad. Do it this way. Okay. Yeah.
There.
Finally. And then this one is called the time machine. And this one, when you move it forwards or backwards, it will spin like that. And then this one, my favorite one, is called the drawing board. And then you can see that there's small magnet pieces inside of it. And there's a pen. And when you put the pen on it, it drags the pen and you can fill up the whole DORAEMON face, like the eyes, the nose, the whiskers, and the mouth. And this one is called
Wind turbine.
the wind turbine. And you spin it, and you can see that there's 3 balls, and if you spin it, the balls move like that. And this one is the DORAEMON smile. So this is a magnet, and you can see that his teeth is showing, and there's no the copter thingy that he has. And then when you put it on the circle, it shows up that he's not showing his teeth anymore. He's having a big laugh. And this one is the DORAEMON and
Milchan.
Milchan. So
Milchan.
obviously the DORAEMON is trying to catch the cat. And it's supposed to move like that.
Cool.
And this is my favorite one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and stay.